Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back. Velocity vectors may look intimidating, but finding total distance is quick. We will solve this calculus problem in 3 easy steps. First, we identify our velocity components as sine of 2t and e to the t. To find the speed, we must square both of these individual terms right now. Next, we add those squared terms together and take the square root of the sum. This gives us the magnitude of the velocity, which is the speed of our particle. Finally, integrate this speed expression from 0 to 1. This definite integral equals 1.867, which is our final answer. Well done! Scan now. Watch signs to avoid errors. Trust given values and check steps to ensure you find the correct path to option B.